see it right there. You can see it. I can't stream right now. Yeah.
So you're just gonna post it?
Yeah, I'm gonna post it as soon as possible. Yes, that's it right there. That's it. That's it. First Delta Embraer 175 land at Aspen Airport. It's coming from Los Angeles International. Here's its flare. Nope, not yet. Can't do it on the runway. It's gonna get off the runway, then you'll see the water cannons come up. Ready. Water's probably gonna start coming up in a second. You can see nobody's moving around because everybody wanted to see this guy land. Slowly creeping